In this section, we'll learn Kīwaha, Kīrehu, and whakatauki, idioms, sayings, and proverbs, which give us an insight into te ahurea Māori, or the Māori culture. In the last section of lessons, we learnt sentences and sentence structures. Just to preface Kīwaha, sometimes they don't always fit in the parameters of grammar. So, if some things don't make sense grammatically, just know it's not wrong. It's just a Kīwaha. And with that being said, let's get into the first Kīwaha, Ehara, Ehara, which means, of course, you bet, indeed. Joining me for this one is Te Ataakura. We'll demonstrate how to use Ehara, Ehara in a sentence. Should we go to the gym?
Kao.
No, you're supposed to say Ehara, Ehara.
But I don't want to go to the gym.
Okay, should we stay home then?
Ehara, ehara. And that's how you use it.
Tēnā karawhiua. Give it a go.